Nigel, Jake, I can see you, brother. There's salmon everywhere. Four people live. Preston, mate. Presto. We're out here, brother. We're out here. We're catching heaps. I'll see if I can hook up the camera. Come on, Andy. Pressure's on, mate. Hook up. Oh, this other guy's on the other side. Or maybe not. They're everywhere. They're stacked up. We've probably caught about 40 fish already. They're just coming and going. They're all about 40 to 38 centimetres. I think with the camera on, we probably won't even get one now. They're just in front of wharf shit. Andre, we're catching them where you caught them, bro. They're bloody everywhere. They're all big though, there's nothing small. Lincoln Landfish TV's watching. Hello, how you doing? Surprised you're not fishing. Slow retreat was best. Yeah, we're hitting bottom. They're sitting on the bottom, dude. There's heaps. We've got like 40 already. I'll be letting them go. But we can't get one on camera because the camera's on now, apparently. It might be a bit quiet, but we'll see how we go. Old mate's got one up the stairs, so they're around again. Just 1/4 ounce, 3-inch plastic. Yeah, plastic's a bit wonky, just realised. If you guys aren't working, you should come down. Oh, I hope you get better, Lincoln. It's going to be a boring live if I can't catch a fish for you guys. I was hoping my mate's going to do the damage, but looks like they're quieting it down a bit. Where are they? Yeah, we're on. Live on camera, boys. We're on. We're on. I don't even think we're going to get a fish from there, but we're on. We're on. They're so fun. Like, they're about 38 to 40. This one's a bit smaller. you go. See you later. See if I can do it again. See if I can do it again. I asked Andy, should we go live? Andy's like, well, where do you want to even watch? And there's like 13 people watching. 2! We've got a Vietnamese bloke idiot. Peter Burns. Hello guys, how you doing? Andy's on. Andy's on. Get in camera, Andy. Andy's on. I'll see if I can get one now. He's on, but that's me scoring. Bigger than mine. Show the camera, Andy. Walk up, show the camera, Andy. Yeah. They're just sitting on bottom, they're not even rising. We had a couple of guys earlier and we were just like winding them in really quickly. And he's letting them go. There's so many, it's nuts. We're trying for pinkies, but we couldn't even get one. If you're not working, you guys should come down. They won't be gone. They've been here the whole... I think they've been here 3 days, Bron. 3 days in a row. And they're there all the time. You'll get them. Trust me. Come down. You join them. Untweet. Your friend's on. Bro, get all your friends at work to watch me, bro. Fishing with David, brother. That's a shameless plug. Fishing in the weather. It's a bit windy, but it doesn't matter. Red, mate, what are you doing? You working or you bloody fishing? The same guy that's fishing is watching my live video. What are you doing? Neil Slater, how you doing, Neil? Love your work, Neil. Bailey Edmund. Hello. Thank you for joining us. Fished yesterday in Geelong and got a donut. Where were you fishing is the question. What tide were you fishing? Oh, they're back in. You just lost one. Where are you going? Oh shit, my phone dropped. The wind's so strong. Thanks to the 10 people that keep sticking around and not leaving. I didn't think it would happen. Stacey Price, hello Stace. Seagulls are coming in now. Look, seagulls coming in. We're just in front, if everyone wants to know, we're just in front of Walkshed. So if you want to come down for a fish, there's bloody plenty around. They're all big too. Let's see a few fish. Dude, the camera's on. I caught 2 earlier. Well, Andy caught one and showed it to the camera. I caught one and showed it to the camera. But they're kind of like, they keep moving. And they're big too. Like, the school's massive. You put the pressure on though, Neil. Come on, Salmon. Come on, Salmon. One for Neil Slater. On. Oh yeah, they're back in, they're back in. Where are they? Hello David, hello Paul. Just out here on a Monday trying to catch some fish, bro. Might need to put a bit of scent on. Bit of old Jesus juice will do the job. I'll talk about the gear we're using because everyone loves to know. I'm just using a 1-4 Infeet EX model with Caldia 2000 and 1/4 ounce jig head, 3-inch plastics. And we're just letting it hit the bottom. Most of the fish are sticking to the bottom. Generally they rise if there's bait around. Because there's no bait and it's cold, they sit on the bottom of the floor. So we're just hitting bottom and then working it back and they're just taking it. Lure back Ben Jeffrey. Hey, Jesse's uncle's watching. How you doing? Hey? Inside? Apparently they're inside now. Oh, he's on. Oh, Jesus, they are inside. Hold on, I'll see if I can get one on camera for you. Go, Andy. There you go, that one's for Neil. I didn't even catch it.
It's dying, it's dying, it's dying. It's dying, Papa. It's dying.
They're savages. Andy's using like a 5-inch plastic and they're just swallowing it. I'm on, I'm on, I'm on.
Come on.
Neely, I'm on, mate. This one's for you. The rod's eating poo. I'll have to stand back for you guys to see, so I'll stand further away.
He's killing it. Let's see if we got the fish.
Yeah, stop.
Let's see. I want to see. It's a worm. He's getting a very good fish.
I'll see if I can drop it in live. I'll drop it in the water live. It says rotate your phone while recording. No, I do not want to rotate my phone while I'm recording. Don't. Oh, they're not bad. They're 40 centimeters or something like that. And you keep on that one. Which speds? You ask about it all the time. They're down the waterfront now, brother. Sorry about that. Talking. He's just like yapping away. We're in public. And he's just let it go because he's a nice bloke.
Don't let it go. Let's see that.
Oh, he's on again. Oh, he lost it. He's on again. He's on again. He's on again. He's wrong. There's three spots there.
Whoa. That was a big fish. That was a big fish. I know.
That's a good one.
Oh, God.
Got it? So Andy just said in Vietnamese that they're eating it on a slow roll now, so we're just slow rolling it in. But there's bloody plenty around. If you guys aren't working, get in. They are literally everywhere. If you need bait, like whoever's catching gummies and snapper and need bait, they're like literally, you can get like 40 of them. Because there was reports of people catching small ones during the day, like during the other week when it was really useful. There was reports of people catching small ones of 20 to 25, and the schools were like massive in small schools. Wait, what the hell did I just say? The schools were big, and the fish were really small, and they were everywhere. But today, I think we stumbled upon the school in Fisherman's Pier today, and they're all like 20s. So we walked out to the open. I just lost one. We walked out to the open, and there's heaps of big ones around. Andy's using like a Murray cod plastic, and he's catching them on a 1/8 jigger, and I'm sitting on a 1/4 ounce. I had to check the comments because someone wrote Nate Pettis, of course, it's been a real terrible way. Bro, ditch work, bro, ditch work. I don't know how much longer I can stay on live because my data, but we'll see how we go. Quiet again. I think they're moving around. We'll change the plastics over when I've got a chance. There we go. well. Brad Palmer, how you doing, Brad? I see you watching. Brown and gold. Okay, they're everywhere. Just stand in the middle and just cast. Cast for your life. I'm on live on Facebook. You want to say hello? Yeah, I am. How heavy are you fishing, Kay? Go quarter ounce. And make sure you hit bottom and you'll catch it. You want one?
Is that David?
Yes, it's David.
I came here just because I saw you and your YouTube channel.
Oh, I'm on live now. You want to say hello to the camera?
Oh.
No, I work at BCF.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, the competitor. Yeah, in Korea. Yes. That's awkward. Oi, Caden, if you get time, dude, come down. There's bloody heaps. It wasn't like the other night. It's completely awesome. Was it Caden that asked for bait? Keep them for me. Need some gummy baits. They're kind of scattered, Kate. They're like 1 minute they're inside, 1 minute they're in the middle, 1 minute they're on the angle. Do you want a quarter? Just as long as I don't get one. Yeah. Enjoy. Hey Nick, thanks for coming by and say hello. Might come down. Steve, it's worth coming down, mate. Tell whom to go on Facebook. Tell him to watch us live. Hey, you guys want to do me a favour? Share these out to your mates. A few more views would be good. I'm poor, bro. I need money. There's a few guys keeping them. They're bleeding. I can see that. I've completely stopped doing the GoPro recording thing. It just jumped on live streams, just focus on the live stream. Christian Toner, Mr. Toner, what are you doing? Long time, brother. Hello, Bobby. Where are they, Andy? Working brass. Ah. Yes, the adult life. I managed to get a couple of days off, so, and fish. They've moved now. I think they've definitely moved. They're somewhere around here. Probably like over 40. Yeah. You want to keep them? We let heaps go. Yeah, heaps. Andy's let them go. Andy's kept a few too, but he's been letting them go. There's just too many of them. Yeah, just sit and get on the bottom. Hey Aaron, you can get them to follow up, but they just go back down. Like they don't stay up to top. How do you find out the time on how long you've been on live stream for? I have no clue. When'd you park? You gotta go inside. Oh, it's back car. Oh, can I call him? I don't know. 26-minute, mate. Oh, thank you. Cheers, bud. I can't get a fish anymore. It's too much pressure. Hello, Robbie. I reckon they're going to slack off on the bite as soon as the tide changes. Because Lowe's coming in about, I think Lowe's coming in about now. Walker, hello Locke. Hello Luke, hello Jesse. Thanks for joining. Check me leader. I'm on the opposite side of you. What do you mean, in the car? Opposite side. Message me where you are, or just wave a hand so I know where you are. Unless you're in the car. Oh, on the rocks, yes. Hello, I see you. Did you catch any? Oh no, be fun. Chris Jansen, hello Chris. Sweet. I've got 5 and a pink one. Oh, nice. We've slayed them. Just too many of them. I think they're definitely quieting down now. I think it's on a slack now, so there's no claim anymore. I might finish the live stream up here because we're not really getting much. And then I might come back on when it's going off again. I'll leave you guys to it. Yeah, thanks for joining in, guys. Thank you. Special thanks to Neil too. Randomly came up.